I'm sure you've heard the news. Illinois is the reigning champ of pumpkin production in the USA. Yep, you heard right. Illinois grows nearly 40% of all the pumpkins in the country. That's more than the next 5 states combined. In 2022 alone, Illinois produced over 634 million pounds of pumpkins. They don't call it the Great Pumpkin State for nothing. What sets Illinois apart? For starters, it has the largest pumpkin acreage in the nation. And while most states focus on growing pumpkins for decoration, a whopping 70% of Illinois' pumpkins are grown for processing. That's right, think canned pumpkin for your pies and purees. Illinois is also home to 2 of the biggest pumpkin processing plants, Nestle Libby and Seneca Foods. These plants help turn those pumpkins into the products we love. So next time you're baking that pumpkin pie or carving a jack-o'-lantern, remember, Illinois is the heart and soul of America's pumpkin patch. Stay tuned for more fun facts and farming tips. Click the link below to find out more.